acceleration in physics. You know what? What we talking about? What subject? That's right. So force and motion. All right. Force and motion. All right. That means as long as you understand force and motion right, then you will be okay in physics class. All right. But if you have a hard time on this one, chaos. Okay. So we're gonna learn a lot of things in physics. Okay. So thermodynamics and sound and light and electricity and so on. But first of all, so we learn force and motion first. Okay. So in that case, okay, so also motion case, then we deal with velocity. Velocity means like this one. Okay, velocity means kind of speed, but this one with speed with the direction. Okay, that means north and south, or whatever the direction. Okay, you know. So now, then velocity. Okay, right here. Okay, that means that's the final velocity usually. So right now, but always we have initial velocity. Okay, that means wait a minute. Then initial velocity usually v0. Okay, we use 0. Then what is the average velocity? Usually we use average velocity. Okay, so line on the top, just like this one. Okay, so average means like the initial velocity plus the final velocity divided by 2. You know what I mean, right? That's the average. Okay. So now, one more thing we're gonna talk about. Okay. So what about final velocity is? Okay. So you must have initial velocity. So start with some kind of a speed or velocity. Then you keep adding. Okay. So maybe you keep increasing some kind of a speed, okay, which is what we call acceleration. So a, okay. Then how long? So every second maybe a. So for 5 seconds, that means 5 times a, right? That means at. So a times time. Okay. So acceleration times how many seconds and so on. So these two, that's right. You really have to understand. You know what I mean? Okay. So again, initial velocity right here v0, then final velocity. Actually velocity now we're talking about now. Alright, now let's go back to the 6th grade. That's right, maybe 7th grade class. Okay, so you learn speed, right? Then we're talking about the distance. You know what I mean? Usually then we use the d, but now let's use s. Okay, in physics usually we use s, which is like a summation. Okay, so s. Okay, that's the distance. Distance is simply what? That's right, rate times time, right? Rate. So we must use what? That's right, average velocity. So average velocity times time. See how long? That means this is gonna be rate times time. Same as before. You know what I mean? You remember that? Okay, long time ago. Okay, now, I'm gonna replace this average velocity with this. All right, let's go. Then actually half. You know what I mean? So half first. Okay, which is divided by. Then v0 plus v. Okay, then t. All right, t is right there. Oh man, very interesting. Also, instead of v right here, velocity, I'm gonna put this one. See? Oh, substitute. All right. So this is going to be then now just like this one, half. Then v0 plus. Okay, instead of v0, okay, which is a v initial velocity plus at. Then t. All right, let's calculate this one. Okay, that's 2v0. Okay, times half. That means v0, right? Then times t. That that means the first one. So V0t. Am I right? That's right. Now plus, okay, half there, okay, half. Then AT times T, which is AT squared. Whoa, man, you know what? This is important. Very important. You gotta remember this one. Maybe you can forget your name, but not this, okay? So, okay, distance, which is S, equals V0t plus half AT squared. Oh, very important. Okay, you must remember this one, okay? Alright, all I did, I just copied exactly same one right here, okay? So right here, S equals V0t. Alright, instead of t, I just made parentheses like this. Then, I gotta change this one, okay? So for t, okay? So alright, from this, t equals, okay, you gotta move this one first to your left hand side, okay? That means v minus v0 divided by, this was at, now divided by a. Oh, I'm gonna plug this one right there. Oh man, looks good already. Now, this one gonna be v minus v0 over a. What about this one? Same thing. v minus v0 over a. Wow. Alright, let's simplify this one. Okay, v0 times v is v and v0. Okay, minus v0 times v0 is v0 squared over a. Okay, like this. Then plus, okay, a over 2. Okay, I put this one together. Then the bottom's gonna be a square. Then what about top? So you just square v minus v0. So v squared minus 2v v0 plus v0 squared. Alright. So, alright, now I can reduce this one. So a and a squared. So only one a gonna be left over right here. Okay. Then okay, so top only this one. And what about this one? This one is a 2a, right? But okay, we just multiply everything, left hand side, right hand side. Okay, 2a. How about that? Okay, so that means s was there. Now you just multiply 2a. That means, think about it. Okay, 2a right here. Okay, 2. Okay, times. Then a, so gonna be gone. Okay, so what about this one? 2a. You just multiply 2a. That means 2 and a is gonna be gone. So left over is, alright, the first one. Okay, 2as equals, okay, 2v0 minus 2v0 squared. Okay, then plus v squared minus 2v0 plus v0 squared. Look at that. Now I can reduce this one. Okay, so like just eliminate this one and minus this one. One is positive, one is negative. Now look at this one. So v0 squared, this one is a negative 2v0 squared. So actually you can reduce just the 2 away, then whole thing away. So actually we have left what? A negative v0 squared. That's it. That means we can rewrite this one just like this. 2as equals, like the first one, so I'm gonna put this one first. Okay, v squared minus v0 squared. Whoa, man,